Baldwin, lane 2, Aston Gerber, Florida, lane 3, Ready to Rockville, Tennessee, lane 4, Kinsman Williams from Texas A&M, Texas, Michaela Williams from 16 LSU, Sarah Rodriguez from 7 Texas, and Dylan Miller from South Carolina. Taking the whole way into 24-22, she won the Thank you.